Let's get back to Target. They have approximately 400,000 employees, and these are full-time employees. This is a number that really originates from back in their January reporting. Um, they're in the industry of variety stores. Their transfer agent is Mellon Investor Services. So I guess that's a division of BNY, Bank New York Mellon. But that's their transfer agent. If you want to buy stock directly, if you participate in some type of drip program, or that's the people who I would look up and try and find out information about, their all of their stock dealings. It's, as I mentioned before, it's a diversified retailer, and this company has $1 billion market cap. Let me pull up the. This is in thousands. Let me pull up Yahoo Finance. Yeah, this company has a $110 billion market cap, and I wouldn't even have got that wrong if I didn't hesitate. See, never hesitate. Trust your gut. This company, their stock range was today $224.78. That was the low, and the high was $227.54. So it really didn't move much, but you got a little bit of an upswing towards the end, it looks like. And that has been reflected across all of my other portfolio holdings. Today wasn't really a good day, but it wasn't a bad day. I ended in the green. I hope your portfolio ended in the green. This company has a revenues of $100 billion. They have a net income of $6 billion, and they pay a dividend of $2.94, and dividend yield is 1.292%. And I'm getting a different number on Yahoo. 1.58%, and Yahoo says their forward dividend is 3.60. So that's probably more of a real-time number compared to the number I have. Target has a earnings per share. Their basic earnings per share is 12.65. Their diluted earnings per share is 12.56. And they have a PE ratio of 18.11. And the PE ratio is one of my favorite ratios because it doesn't tell you nothing by itself, but when you combine it and compare it to other companies within the same stock category, apples to apples comparison, you don't want to be comparing Target to Coca-Cola. So if you're going to compare Target to anybody, we all know it's going to be Walmart. So when you do PE ratios, it really depends on the industry in which the company is operating, because obviously the price to earnings ratio from different businesses will be different types of businesses or business sectors will be very different. And the ratio is used for valuing a company. It measures its current share price relative to its earnings. So if you want to see if a company is expensive and you have its PE ratio, the quickest, easiest thing you can do is find its competitor and compare those two PE ratios together. As I stated, Target's PE ratio is 18.1178. And when you compare that to Walmart, who has an average PE of 28.76, it's a big gap. So I'm guessing that Target number is a quarterly or maybe a yearly number. That's what happens when you get your stats from two different websites. But Walmart has a minimum PE of 14.27, and that occurred on January 27th, 2017. And their highest PE ratio was 60.67, and that was on November 9th, 2018. So when you compare that to Target's PE of 18.11, you can really get a picture of how well their business is doing.